Good morning, students. My name is Sudhakar Tonpunuri. I am a mathematics trainer in Adult Solutions. So in this program, we need to discuss about functions that is there in our intermediate first year. So we are going to the chapter now. Okay, right. Let's into the topic. Right. So here, before going to start, we need to know the definition of the function. We need to know the definition of the function. So here in this function, first we need to know what is the domain and what is codomain. Before going to start the function definition, we need to know what is domain and what is codomain. Domain in the sense, for example, we are going to college regular in general. Okay, we are going to a college in regular general. So starting place, from where we are starting, that place goes to domain. That place goes to domain. And reaching place, destination is our domain, reaching place is codomain. That is, college is codomain. By bus or vehicle or by transport or by walking, whatever it may be, that goes to the function. So here, coming to the definition, f is mapping from A to B. F is mapping from A to B, be a function. So here, first place we can name it as domain. First place we can name it as domain. That is because that is starting place. And B goes to codomain. That is nothing but reaching place. That is nothing but reaching place. So here, before starting the definition, f is mapping from A to B is said to be a function. Then there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B. F of A is equals to B. That is nothing but B belongs to B. For example, we are starting from home. We are starting from home to college by traveling agent, bus or walking or car, by bicycle, whatever it may be, by vehicle or something it seems to be. So home to college. So home is our domain. Home is our domain and college is our codomain. College is our codomain. So here domain, for example, in a family consists father, mother, children. So for example, you are the element of your family. So here you are taking your number position is A. You are from domain. Who is our domain in general? Capital A. So here we are taking capital A. So from domain you are the element. By bus, f of A, by bus, you are going to the college particular group or MPC, by PCC, whatever it may be, you are going to a particular group. That is B, that is your position in college. For all, B belongs to B. Capital B is our college. That is destination place. Okay. So here, this is the definition of the function. Clear? Once I will explain. So first, to get the definition of the function, we need two places. One is the domain and another one is codomain. Domain is the starting place, codomain is the reaching place. In mathematical definition, so f is mapping from A to B is said to be a function. Then there exists an element A belongs to A such that f of A is equal to B for all B belongs to B. So that is the definition of the function. Next, range. Range is nothing but codomain. Range is nothing but codomain. That is nothing but the set of all images of the function. That is, f is mapping from A to B is called range of f. So here it is defined by f of A is equals to f of small a is equal to f of domain function is equal to f of A such that A belongs to A. In the sense, for everybody after starting the home, it goes to a job place or school or college, whatever, if there is a work, he will come out the home. So here, this is the condition of the range. Next one. So here, first we need to know the concepts of injection, surjection and bijection. We need to know the concepts of injection, surjection and bijection. So here first we need to know the definition of injection, or this also we can take it as a 1-1 function. This is a injection or 1-1 function. So to get the definition, f is mapping from A to B is said to be a 1-1 function or injection. F is mapping from A to B is said to be a 1-1 function or injection. Then there exists an elements to domain elements we need to take here. x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. x1 comma x2 belongs to domain implies f of x1 is equals to f of x2. Here we need to write if and only if x1 is equals to x2. If the functions are same, obviously the elements are same. If the functions are same, obviously the elements are same. That is nothing but x1 comma x2 belongs to A. Here two elements are different from our domain set. Two elements are different from our domain set. So here function is mapping. F of x1 is equals to f of x2. If and only if x1 is equals to x2. This is the most important definition in functions. So what is 1-1? If f is mapping from A to B is said to be a 1-1 function, right? If x1 comma x2 belongs to domain set elements implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2 if and only if x1 is equals to x2. That is the definition of 1-1 or injection. Now go for surjection. Just now we discussed the definition of a function. So surjection is nothing but a function definition. That is nothing but, so f is mapping from A to B is said to be a onto function. Is said to be a onto function. So other name is surjection. Onto or surjection. So that is nothing but f of A is equals to B for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Or we can write it as, then there exists an element A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B for all B belongs to B. This is also one of the definition of the function. Both are same. So here, then there exists an element A belongs to A if the domain element has mapped to codomain. If the domain element has mapped to codomain in a single position. So both different functions in the sense. So here there exists A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B. Suppose we are taking a function like this, an element A, here this is B, so f, function is from f, so here mapping will exist like this. So domain element has a image or pre-image in B or image in B. Domain element has a image in B, that is nothing but f of A is equals to B. Here for B, A is called as the pre-image. For A, B is called as the image. Okay, so this is the definition of onto function. Next coming here, bisection. Next coming here, bisection. A function f is mapping from A to B is said to be a bisection if it satisfies both injection and surjection. Both injection and surjection. That is nothing but if it satisfies 1-1 and onto properties, then we can say that function is a bisection. These three definitions are most important. One is injection and second one is surjection and the third one is bisection. Injection means if there exists an element x1 comma x2 belongs to domain set capital A such that or implies f of x1 is equals to f of x2 if and only if. We don't want to forget that if and only if condition. It's must and should we need to write if and only if. This condition we can write it as if and only if x1 is equals to x2. That is the definition of injection or 1-1. Next coming here, onto or surjection. This is nothing but an element, there exists an element A belongs to A such that f of A is equals to B for all B belongs to B. That is the definition of onto or surjection. Last one is bisection. What is bisection? If it satisfies both 1-1 and onto properties, then we can say that function is a bisective function, right? Next question or next definition, right? So here we need to discuss about constant function. Constant function in the sense the definition only consists that word constant. The definition only consists of the word that is constant, right? Right. Look at the definition once. A function f is mapping from a to b is said to be a constant function. Is said to be a constant function. The range of f, right? The range of f contains only one element, or that is a constant. Only one element, that is constant. So f of x is equals to, see, for all x belongs to, the domain elements are how many it should be, but that maps to only the numerical number ones. So that is, see, here we are taking, see, so look at the diagram once. Here I am taking domain element capital A, and this is the codomain B. F is our function, mapping is like this. F of x is equals to, see, this is the definition of a constant function, right? Next, one more definition. So here we have one question, right? We need to do this now. So a is given by -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. F is mapping from a to b. F is mapping from a to b is a surjection defined by f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. Then find the value of b. So here what is the meaning of surjection? Example. So here we are taking, there exists an element small a belongs to a such that f of a is equals to b for all b belongs to b. This is the definition of onto or surjection. So here in this question he is asking the codomain. In this asking, here he is asking the value of the codomain, right? So here first I am taking x value. What is that first x value? -2. And first here I am taking the given function is given by, our question is f of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1. First I am substituting x value -2 in f of x to get the codomain function or range function. So -2 implies f of -2 is equal to -2 whole square plus -2 plus 1. This is equal to -2 whole square. -2 whole square is 4. 4 -2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 will give 5. 5 minus 2 will goes to 3. So when you are substituting x value as -2, we are getting the function value is 3. In the sense, -2 has mapped to 3. -2 has mapped to 3. Next second function is -1. So x is equal to -1 implies f of -1 is equal to -1 whole square -1 plus 1. -1 whole square -1 plus 1. -1 whole square is 1. -1 plus 1. 1 will get cancelled. 1. Next value 0. X is equal to 0. Implies f of 0 is equals to 0 square plus 0 plus 1. That is nothing but 1. Next value 1. So here x is 1 implies f of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 1 plus 1. That is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Next value 2. So here x is equals to 2. Implies x is equal to 2. Implies f of 2 is equals to 2 square, right, plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 square value 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. So here we are getting the domain function elements by the given condition -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So by using these domain functions or domain values, we are getting the codomain function. So codomain values. So that is nothing but capital B. So here I am taking capital B is equal to first value 3, 1, 1, 3, 7. So 1, 1, 3, 3, 7. So in this condition, we don't want to write repeated numbers. So we can write it once. That is nothing but 1, 3, 7. So 1 is repeated in twice, I am writing once. And 3 is repeated twice, I am writing once. And 7 is no repeated, but I am writing the value 7. So this is the answer. So when he is giving the domain, he is asking to find that codomain function, in the sense the domain values we need to substitute in the function, whatever it may be the function value, we need to substitute in function and get the codomain, right? Next question. Right. Here the question is given by like this: f is mapping from r minus 0 to capital R. F is mapping from r minus 0 to capital R. This meaning is what? R minus 0. R minus 0 in the sense, from real number system we are eliminating 0. From real number system we are eliminating 0. Why? In the sense, the f of x condition is given by x cube minus 1 by x cube. If x value goes 0, 1 by 0 goes to infinity. So for that one, the definition only it seems, our function defined only f is mapping from r minus 0. In the sense, 0 number is eliminated from our real number system to get this condition. Okay, right. So then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to 0. F of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to 0. Now here I am taking f of x. So first I am writing f of x. F of x is given condition which is as it is. I am writing without changing. F of x is equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube. Next to f of 1 by x. F of 1 by x. What is the meaning of 1 by x? Wherever x is there. Wherever x is there, there we need to write 1 by x. So here x cube is there. Here I am writing 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. Okay. So this is equal to, this function is as it is, 1 by x cube. So by the reciprocal definition, 1 by function goes to numerator. That is nothing but x cube. Okay. Right. So here I am taking LHS function. LHS. What is our LHS? He is asking to find f of x plus f of 1 by x is equals to x cube minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube minus x cube. Here we can cancel plus symbol and minus symbol functions. Plus 1 by x cube minus 1 by x cube will get cancelled, and plus x cube minus x cube cancel. We are getting the value is 0. In the question he is asking to show that. In the question he is asking to show that is equal to 0. Here we got. Okay. This question is most important and frequently repeated. So go through it question once again. Okay. Right. Next question. Right. So here the question is f is mapping from r minus of plus r minus 1 to r. In the sense, in the real number system we are eliminating plus r minus 1. Other than that element, every number is there. Other than plus r minus 1, every number is there. Right. So is defined by f of x is equals to log 1 mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is equals to 2 times of f of x. Okay. Now, so here first I am writing given function f of x is equals to log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. This is the given function. F of x is equals to log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now he is asking to find the value of f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So here I am taking LHS. LHS f of 2x by 1 plus x square. So what is the meaning of f of 2x by 1 plus x square? Wherever x is there, wherever x is there, there we need to write 2x by 1 plus x square. In the sense, instead of x, we need to write 2x by 1 plus x square. So here I am writing log mod 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Is it clear? So first condition is wherever x is there, there I am writing 2x by 1 plus x square. Now LCM is equals to log mod 1 plus x square plus 2x by 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. Okay. So here both denominators are same. Numerator, denominator, again denominator by denominator we get cancelled because both are same. Now remaining condition is log mod 1 plus, I am writing in the order wise, 2x plus x square by denominator 1 minus 2x plus x square. So numerator is there in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the denominator is there in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square goes to a plus b whole square. Log mod 1 plus x whole square by denominator goes to 1 minus x whole square, right? So for this enter I am writing log mod whole square. So here separate is there, but I am taking enter log function of mod whole square. According to the logarithmic definition, these two will come front of that log function. So that is nothing but 2 times of log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. By the given condition, this function is replaced with f of x, because the question is there, f of x is defined by f of x is equals to log mod 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So by the given condition I can replace this as f of x. Therefore answer is 2 times of f of x. This is my RHS. Clear? In this question he is asking the function, or he is asking the value of f of 2x by 1 plus x square, asking to show 2 times of log, 2 times of f of x. Okay. Right. So here we have one concept, that is a definition of composite function. So here we are getting composite. Composite in the sense we need to club two functions in one. So look at this function once. So here f is mapping from a to b is one function, and g is mapping from b to c be the other function. So here we are having two functions, two are different functions. So then g circle f is defined by a to c. G circle f so is defined by a to c, and defined as g circle f of x is equals to g of f of x for all x belongs to a. G of f of x for all x belongs to a. Right. So here I am taking domain capital A. In that domain we have an element which is small a and another domain B. So here first I am taking definition for f is mapping from a to b. F is mapping from a to b. This is first definition of function. Next coming second is also involved here, b to c. This is nothing but defined by g. So here g is from b to c. F is from a to b. So here we are clubbing two different functions as in one function. So that is like this. Right? That is like this. So here we are taking that as g circle f. G circle f in the sense g circle f. So writing is from left to right, reading is problem solving is left to right. G circle f in the sense first function operates on f. First function operates on f. So after that ends with g. After that ends with g. So this is the figure. So here domain element is capital A and small b is the codomain element function for f, right? And c is the another function which is from b to c, and in that one domain element is c. Small clarification for this. So here f is mapping from a to b, an element a belongs to a such that f of a is equals to b. This is the first function. F is described like this. And g function. G function where to where? G is from b to c. So here in domain b element is small b. In domain b element is small b. So here I am taking b belongs to b such that g of b is equals to c. Here for all B belongs to capital B, and here for all C belongs to capital C. Now here we are clubbing two functions as one function by taking G circle F. So that is nothing but G circle F. In the sense, if you close this function, F is from A to B and G introduced, G is from B to C. We can skip off B. So here we can write G circle F from A to C. So here domain is A and codomain is C for G circle F. So here I am taking domain element A belongs to A such that G circle F of domain element is equals to G of F of A. Who is F of A? F of A is B. Who is F of A? F of A is B by the definition of F from A to B. So that is equals to G of B. Here what is the value of G of B? Just now we have written G of B is C by the definition of G function. So is equal to C. For all small c belongs to capital C. Where we started? From domain element A we started. Where we reached? Codomain C. So in the sense G circle F functioning will be like this. Okay, right. Go for the next question based on this. Right. So here F of x is given by 2x minus 1 and G of x is given by x plus 1 by 2. He is asking the value of G circle F of x. Just now we described that value. So here I am taking G circle F of x. This is defined by or described by G of F of x. Okay. So F of x value already is mentioned in the question, that is 2x minus 1. So that is 2x minus 1. So this is what F of x replaced. Now G function operation is started from here. So here if you take this as x, suppose what is G of x? X plus 1 by 2. Instead of this x you need to substitute this 2x minus 1. Instead of x you need to substitute 2x minus 1. So here 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2, okay, is equals to 2x minus 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 1 will get cancelled, is equals to 2x by 2, 2 2 also cancel, is equals to x. So here answer is G circle F of x is equals to x. G circle F of x is equal to x. Look here once. So he is asking to find G circle F of x. So here I am splitting G of F of x. This is the definition of the composite function, and F of x is defined by 2x minus 1. So here I am writing instead of F of x as 2x minus 1, and G of x is defined as x plus 1 by 2. Instead of x I need to write that value as 2x minus 1 by 2. I replaced here, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled out, and 2x by 2. Here also 2 2 will get cancelled out, x we are getting. Therefore the value of G circle F of x is x. Okay.